Everyone, today I'd be discussing LeetCode problem number 637. The problem is for finding the average of levels in a binary tree. So the problem basically goes as follows: given a non-empty binary tree, return the average value of the nodes on each level in the form of an array. So here's an example wherein your input is a binary tree like this. So it has 3 as the root node, has 9 and 20 at level 1, and then 15 and 7 at level 2. So the average of the nodes at the root level is 3, since there is just one root node. Then we have two nodes at level 2, so their average is 9 plus 20 by 2, which is 14.5. And then at the second level we have 15 and 7, whose average is 11. So this needs to be returned as the output. So since we are doing a level order traversal over here, so having a queue like data structure would help, so that we can keep on enqueuing the nodes as we traverse the tree. So let me explain it with an example. So here's a example binary tree which has this structure. So let's run through it on how we could uh, find the average of the levels in it. So I'll maintain the following data structure. So I'll maintain a queue and a level queue, and then there would be some variables to keep track of the current item, the current level, the sum and the count at a particular level, and the result. So we'll start by first of all enqueuing the root node, which is 91, and enqueuing its level, which is 0. And now we'll start dequeuing. So first of all we'll dequeue the head or the front of the queue, which is 91. So 91 is dequeued, this is gone, and the current level will dequeue from the level queue. So we dequeue from here and the current level is 0. Now since we are keeping track of the sum of the nodes in a level, so right now we just have 91 at level 0, so we'll keep sum as 91, and the count is the number of nodes in a level. So at level 0 right now there is just one node, so we'll keep count as 1, and we'll enqueue the children of this current node. So we'll get 51 and the other number, which happens to be the integer max value, to be enqueued, and we'll also enqueue their levels. So both are at level 1. Now I dequeue from the queue, so now I get 51, its level is 1, so both these items are now dequeued. Now since my previous level was 0 and my current level is 1, so my level has changed, so I need to put something in the result, which is the average of the previous level. So in my previous level my sum was 91, count was 1, so my result would be 91 divided by 1, which is 91, and I put it in the result. Now my current item at level 1 is 51, so I'll restart doing the sum for this level. So 51, and right now I've seen just one item in the current level, which is level 1, and I need to enqueue the children of 51, so which are 21 and 52, and both of these are at level 1 plus 1, which is level 2. Okay, now we are done with 51. Now we dequeue the next element from the front of the queue, so we get this. So let me just dequeue it from here, and it becomes the current item, and also let's dequeue the level, and the current level becomes 1, so which is same as the previous level. So since it is same as the previous level, so we just continue and add it to the sum and increment the count, which is the counter of the number of nodes in this level. Okay, then we'll need to add the children of the current item. So current item has only one child, which is 96, so let me add that and add its level, which is again 2. Okay, now again removing from the head of the queue, we remove 21. So my current item becomes 21, and also remove the current level, which is 2. So current level becomes 2. Okay, and now my current level has changed from previous level, which was 1. So I need to store the result. So what I need to do is sum up these two numbers and divide it by the count. So essentially it would be 107,374,1849. So one important thing to note over here is that the sum of these two would exceed the integers range in Java. So what you need to be careful about is that you store the sum in a long value so that you do not exceed the integer's max value range. So then if the sum is being stored in long, and then you can divide it by the count and get the result. So essentially this should be of type long. Okay, so now we are done with 21, and 21 does not have any children, so we do not enqueue anything. Okay, and then we dequeue the next item from the queue, which is 52. So 52 is removed, and my current item becomes 52, and the level queue also we dequeue the level. So current level is 2, it remains 2, so no change from previous level. Okay, so now what we would need to do is that I should have initialized sum and count because we had a level change in the previous level. So now we add 52 to the sum, and the count is also incremented by 1. Now finally we dequeue the last item from the queue, which is 96. So I remove this. My current item becomes 96, and my level queue I dequeue from it. So current level is 2, it remains same as previous level, so I need to just increment the sum, which is 96 over here, and increment the count. And now my queue is empty, so I'll come out of the queue iteration loop, and I'll need to finally add the average of the last level that we traversed, so which is essentially 21 plus 52 plus 96 divided by 3, which happens to be 56.333. So this is the result which is sent as an output by the program. Thank you.